Palestine. Official, the State of Palestine is a country in West Asia established by 147 of the UN.
Selamat datang di dunia penerbangan TNI Angkatan Laut. Dharma Jala Kaca Putra, Charles Vela, Jaya Mahe, Raja Wali Laut penjaga langit lautan Indonesia, terlahir dari badai lautan untuk menjaga kedaulatan Republik Indonesia.
Then the border geographic and territory Palestine is most of Iran's in Israel, and it is bordered Jordan to the east and Egypt to the southwest. It has a total length of 6,020 square kilometer or 2,320 SEMI. Will its population exceed 12 million people, its proclaimed capital is Jerusalem. Ramallah serves as its administrative center. Gaza City was its largest city prior to evacuation in 2023. Situated at a continental crossroad, the region of Palestine was ruled by various empires and experiences various. Demography changed from antiquity to the modern era, being a bridge between Asia and Africa. It was trading great for the Nile and Mesopotamian armies and merchants from North Africa, China and India. The region is known for its religious significance. The ongoing Israel-Palestine conflict dates back to the rise of the Zionist government supported by the United Kingdom during World War I. The was Rasulullah Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam Britain occupying Palestine from the Ottoman Empire, where it set up mandatory Palestine under the auspices of the League of Nations. Increased Jewish immigration led to intercommunal conflict between Jews and Palestinian Arabs, which escalated into a civil war in 1947 after a project partitioning by the until nation was rejected by the Palestinians. The 1948 Palestinian War, Rasulullah Muhammad SAW, the forcible displacement as a majority of the Arab population, and consequently the establishment of Israel. There even a referendum to by Palestina as the Nakba. It is about in Arabic in the Sheikh Daesh, where in 1967 Israel occupied the West Bank and the Gaza Strip, which has been held by Jordan and Egypt. Respectively, the Palestine Liberation Organization (PLO) declared independence in 1988. In 1993, the PLO signed the also accord with Israel, creating limited flow government in the West Bank and Gaza Strip of the Palestinian Authority (PA). Israel ordered from Gaza in its unilateral segment in 2005. But the territory is still considered to be under military occupation and has been blockaded by Israel in 2007. Internal division between political factions led to a takeover of Gaza by Hamas. Since the then West Bank has been governed in part by the Fatah-led PA, while the Gaza Strip has remained under the control of Hamas. Israel has constructed the largest settlement in the occupied West Bank and East Jerusalem since 1967. We currently house more than 7,000 Israeli settlements are illegal under international law. Attacked by Hamas-led armed group in October 2023 in Israel were followed by the Gaza War, which has caused widespread destruction and a humanitarian crisis that took the Gaza Strip, including the displacement of nearly all of its population, according to a United Nations Special Committee, Army International, and other expert and human rights organization. Israel has committed genocide against the Palestinian people during its ongoing invasion and bombing of the Gaza Strip. Some of the change to Palestine include ineffective government, Israel occupation, a blockade, restoration on movement, Israel's statement and self-violence, as well as an overpoor security situation, the question of Palestine border, legal and diplomatic status of Jerusalem, and the ring of return of Palestine refugees remain unsolved despite the country, maintain an American economy and self-regulation. Arabic is the official lingua of the country, still the major of Palestine. Protect Islam. Christianity also has a presence. Palestine is also a member of several international organizations, including the Arab League and the Organization of Islamic Cooperation. Economy. Main article Economy of the State of Palestine. Palestine is classified as a middle-income and developing country by the IMF in 2023. GDP of the country was $40 billion and per capita around $4,500. Due to its disputed study economic condition of 2008 209 210, the CO2 emission metric ton per capita was 0.6 in 2010. According to the service of 2011, Palestine profit rate was 25.8% according to a new World Bank report. Palestine economic growth is expanded to southern in 2023. Economy of Palestine rules. Living in international aid remittance by overseas Palestine and local industries. Construction of railway and surrounding industry areas. According to a report by the World Bank, the economic import of Israel car policy has been profound directly contributes to a significant decline in economic active, with the spread unemployment and a rise in poverty since the months of the second intifada in September 2000. The Israel restitution imposed on Area C alone result in an estimated annual loss of approximately $3.4 billion, which account for nearly half of the current Palestina GDP. The restriction has resurfaced hinder economic growth and development in the region. In the afternoon of the 2014 Gaza war, where many structures were damage of the destroyed, the flow of construction and raw material in Gaza has been several limits. Additionally, regulars export from the region have been complete exacerbating the economic change caused by the population. Before the 2023 war, one of the burdensome measures imposed by Israel is the bank-to-bank system averted at crossing point within Palestinian territories. These policies forces shippers to unload and reload their goods from one route to another, result in significant transportation costs, allows time for finished product and raw materials. The additional expense would impact economic growth and viability. Under the 1995 also to accord, it was agreed the governments of Area C will be transferred to the Palestinian authorities, which takes months extra for matters to be determined in the final status agreement. However, Israel has failed to fulfill its obligation under the Oslo agreement. It is the agreement net for accountability and ito impunity. The European Commission has signaled the detrimental impact of the Israel-West Bank barrier, estimated that it has led to an annual economic improvement of Palestinians by 2-3% of GDP. Furthermore, the escalating number of internal and external challenges continues to have a devastating effect on any prospect for economic recovery in the region. According to a 2015 study, the economic impact of Israel legal issues of Palestinian natural resources was conservatively estimated at $1.83 billion, equivalent to 20% of Palestinian GDP that years. According to a World Bank report, the manufacturing sector share of GDP decreased from 19% to 10% but when the signing of the also occurred until 2011. The same report, which adopted conservative estimates, suggests that across the REC in respective sector, despite sea minerals, telecommunication, mining, tourism, and construction contributed at least 20% to Palestine GDP. In fact, the report noticed that Israel and Jordan together generate around $2 billion annually from the sale of those products, represent 6% of the global potent supply and 27% of global premium output. Overall, if Palestine has unrestricted access to their own land in Area C, the potential economic benefits for Palestine could increase by 35% of GDP, only to at least $3.4 billion annually. Similar water resources includes a cost of $1.903 billion, equivalent to 23.4% of GDP. Will Israel again blockade of the Gaza Strip resulted in a cost of $1.908 billion, representing 23.5% of GDP in 2010. These borders are unsustainable for any economy, actively limiting Palestinian economic potential and its right to develop a proper society with a stable economy and sustainable growth. The state of Palestine over gross domestic product (GDP) has declined by 36 or 35% in the first quarter of 2024 due to the ongoing war in Gaza. The Palestinian Central Bureau of Studies (PCBC) report there was a striking difference between the West Bank, which was a decline of 25%, and in the Gaza Strip, the number is 86% amid the ongoing war. The manufacturing sector declined by 29% in the West Bank and 95% in Gaza, with the construction sector declined by 42% in West Bank and essential collapse in Gaza with a 99% decrease. Agriculture. After Israel occupied the West Bank and Gaza Strip in 1967, Palestina agriculture suffered significant step back to 1/6. The sector contributed to the GDP decline and the agricultural workforce decreased to 1/6. The cultivated areas in the West Bank continuously decreased in 1967. Palestina farmers realized fast obstacles in marketing and distributing their product, and Israel retribution on weather usage have several affected Palestinian agriculture. Over 85% of Palestinian water for the West Bank aquifer is used by Israel, and Palestinians are denied access to water resources from the Jordan and Yarmouk rivers. In Gaza, the coastal aquifer is suffering from saltwater intrusion. Israel retribution have limited irrigation of Palestinian land, with only 6% of West Bank land cultivated by Palestinians being irrigated, while Israeli state irrigated around 70% of their land. The Gulf War in 1991 has reserved repercussions on Palestinian agriculture, as the majority of export were provision to Arab Gulf countries. Palestinian export to the Gulf state decreased by 14% as a result of the war, causing a significant economic impact. Water resources and sanitation. Medical water resources and sanitation in the state of Palestine. Also, water sanitation and management program. Water supply and sanitation in the Palestine territories and are directed by several water resources and are greatly influenced by Israel. Also, beyond the water resources of Palestine are Palestinians controlled by Israel in part from history and geographic comparison with Israel, granting party autonomy in 2015. The division of groundwork in respect to revision in the OS also to occur built upon by both Israel and Palestinian leadership. Citation noted. Israel provides the Palestinian territories from its own water supply and designated water supply in 2012, supplying 52 MCM. Generally, the water quality is considerably better in the Gaza Strip when compared to the West Bank. About a third to all of the water in the Palestinian territories in the distribution network. The lasting blockade of the Gaza Strip and the Gaza war causes several damage in the infrastructure in the Gaza Strip, converting Western the actual treatment plan do not have the capacity to treat all of the product waste through water, causing several water pollution. The development of the sector heavily depended on external financing. Manufacturing sector in Palestine include textile, food processing, pharmaceutical, construction materials, field printing products, and electronics. Notable products include clothing, olive oil, dairy, furniture, and construction materials. But on the second Intifada, Palestine has a strong interest in Jerusalem and Gaza Bari sector in the West Bank. A better movement of goods decreased the block of the Gaza Strip. As a result of the territory's economic condition, as of 2023, according to the Ministry of Economy, the manufacturing sector has tended to grow by 20 or 2.5% of it, 79000 job over the following 6 years. Palestine main article of stone. Limestone marble 13.3% furniture, 11.7% Palestine, 10.2% and iron steel 9.1%. Most of the products are exported to Jordan, the United States, Israel, and Egypt. Hebron is Israel's most advanced city in the region and serves as an export hub for Palestinian products. More than 40% of the national economic product there. The most advanced printing press in the Middle East is in Hebron. Minerals are in the surrounding region. Silicon reservoirs are found in the Gaza territories. Jerusalem stone, extracted in the West Bank, has been used for creating many structures in Jerusalem. Hebron is widely known for its glass production nebulas. It's notable for its nebulas, so some of the companies operating in the Palestinian territories include Siniora, Futsino Cloth Industry, Sigen Electric, PepsiCo, and Coca-Cola. Israel, Palestina, Economy, Peace Award have resulted in several initiatives, such as the Valley of Peace initiative of breaking the impasse which promoted industrial projects between Israel, Palestine, and other Arab countries, with the goal of promoting peace and ending conflict. This includes joint industrial park opened in Palestine. The Palestine Authority has built industrial cities in Gaza, Bethlehem, Jericho, Jericho, and Hebron. Similar in job cooperation with European countries, energy and article energy in Palestine. A solar plant in Jericho, Palestine does not produce its own oil or gas, but as per UN report, sizable reservoir of oil and gas in the Palestinian territories. Due to its side of conflict, most of the energy and fuel in Palestine area imported from Israel and other Arab countries as Egypt, Jordan, and Saudi Arabia. In 2012, electricity available in West Bank and Gaza was 5370 GWh, 3700 in the West Bank and 1670 in Gaza. With the annual per capita consumption of electricity, although the reduction transmission loss was 950 kWh. The Gaza power plant is the only power plant in the Gaza Strip. It is owned by Gaza Power Generation Company (GDPGG), a subsidiary of the Palestinian Electric Company (PEC), Jerusalem District Electric Company, a subsidiary of PEC, provided electricity to Palestinian residents of Jerusalem. Government official has increasingly focused on solar energy to reduce dependency on Israel for energy. Palestinian investment fund have launched Nur Palestine, a project which aims to improve power in Palestine. Water economy, a major funder between Bank of Palestine and NATO, have established solar power plant across Jamallah, Nablus, and Ramallah in 2090. And the North Palestine Company for Solar Power Plant and Solar Park was inaugurated in Jenin. Two more solar parks have been planned to Jerusalem. State of Palestine, Daulat Palestine Arabic. Status to an observer state under Israel occupation recognized by 147 UN member states. Capital administrative center, Jerusalem Limited recognized Ramallah, Gaza City, Gaza City. Before 2023, currently in flux. Official language Arabic. Ethnic group Palestine Arabs. Religion 2020 80.78% Islam. Official 21.21 or 71.21 Sunni, 0.09% Syiah, 9.42% Islamic. Schismatics, including Druze and Sabbatans, 13.07% Judaism, 8.8 or 0.88% Christianity, 0.5% Baha'ites, 5.70 or 5.27 irreligion, 5.18% agnosticism, 0.09% atheism. Demons Palestinians government under a provisional semi-presidential republic. President Muhammad Abbas, Vice President Hussein Al-Said, Prime Minister Muhammad Mustafa, Speaker of the Parliament Aziz Taib, Legislative Council, Formation Declaration of Independence 15 November 1988 of Independence. UNGA Observers Resolution 29 November 2012. Sovereignty Desturi with Israel. Ongoing area total 5,020 km persegi or 2.320 SKMI. 163 in the world. Water percent 3.5. Water bank West Bank 5,655 km persegi. Gaza Strip 365 km persegi. Population 2023 estimated 5,000 or 5,483,450. 121 in the world. Density 7,331 km persegi or 1.893.3 SKMI. GDP per capita 2023 estimated total up to $36.391 billion, 138 in the world. Per capita $6,842, 140 in the world. GDP nominal 2021 estimated total $18.109 billion, 121 in the world. Per capita $3.164, 131 in the world. CINI 2016 33.7 medium inequality. HDI 2023 under 0.674 medium, 133 in the world. Currency Egypt pounds, Israel new shekel, Jordania dinar, de facto. Time zone UTC 2 Palestine Standard Time, Summer DST, UTC 3 Palestine Summer Time. Date format DD/mm/YYYY. Calling kode 970 ISO 3166 kode PS, Internet PS. Gaza City, also called Gaza, is a city in the Gaza Strip, Palestine, and the capital of the Gaza Governorate, located on the Mediterranean coast, 17.6 km or 47.6 mi southwest of Jerusalem. It was home to Palestine only part, with a population of 590,481 people as of 2017. Gaza City was the most populous city in the Palestine until the Gaza War caused most of the population to be displaced. Gaza City, Gaza Municipality type A city. Arabic transcription, Latin official Gaza, Latin DIN 31635 Gaza. Omar Mukhtar Street, Great Mosque of Gaza, Root of Saint Proterius, Hazar al-Basa, Said al-Hashim Mosque, Rimal before October 2023, Rimal in October 2023, Coast of Arm of Gaza, located of Gaza within Palestine, Sum map of Gaza Strip, Sum map of State of Palestine, Soal, coordinate 31 and 34 derajat 27 E. Country Palestine. Governorate Gaza, founded 15th century BC. Government deposited from 1994. Head of municipality Yahya al-Zadzad, installed by Hamas. Area total 45 dunams or 45 km persegi or 17 SKMI. Population 2017 census total 590,481. Estimated 1 million in 2025. Density 13,000 km persegi or 34,000 SKMI. Website mogaza.org. Inhabited since at least the 15th century BC. Gaza City has been dominated by different peoples and empire. Throughout its history, the Philistines made it a part of their Panthepolis. After the ancient Egyptians had ruled it for nuclear 15 years. Under the Roman Egypt, Gaza City experienced relative peace and its Mediterranean port flourished in 635 AD. It became the first city in the Palestine region to be conquered by the Rashidun army and quickly developed into a center of Islamic law. However, by the time the Crusader state were established in 1099, Gaza City was in ruins. In later centuries, Gaza City experienced several heresies from Mongol raids to severe flood and language swarm, reducing it to a village by the 19th century when it was incorporated into the Ottoman Empire. During the first half of Ottoman rule, the Wei dynasty controlled Gaza City and the city went through an age of great commerce and peace. The municipal of Gaza City was established in 1893. Gaza City fell to British force during World War I, became a part of mandatory Palestine as a result of the 1948 Arab-Israel War. Egypt administered the nearly from Gaza Strip territories and several improvements were undertaken in the city. Gaza City was occupied by Israel in the Six Days War in 1967. And in 1993, the city was transferred to the newly created Palestine National Authority. In the months following the 2006 election, an armed conflict broke out between the Palestinian political faction of Fatah and Hamas, resulting in the lagging war in Gaza. The Gaza Strip was then subject to an Israeli Egyptian support blockade. Israel issued the blockade, allowing consumer call in June 2010. And Egypt reopened the river border crossing in 2011 to pedestrians. The city was largely destroyed by Israeli airstrikes since the start of the Gaza war in October 2023, including a large amount of significant cultural heritage in the old city of Gaza. The primary economic activities of Gaza City are small-scale industries and agriculture. However, the blockade are causing conflict put the economy under severe pressure. The majority of Gaza City Palestina inhabitants are Muslim. Although there is also a Christian minority, Gaza City has a very young population, with roughly 75% under the age of 25 as of June 2025. Many residents have fled or been evacuated to the southern Gaza Strip or killed as a result of Israel's action in the north. The reverse private record or estimated population number have become outdated. Economy main article economy of Gaza. Gaza City in 2012, Gaza Park in 2012, a beach resort in Gaza City. The major agricultural products are strawberries, citrus, dates, olive flowers, and various vegetables. Pollution and demand for water have reduced the productivity capacity of farm in the Gaza Strip. Small-scale industries include the production in plastic, contribution material, textile, furniture, pottery, copperware, and carpets. Since the also occur, thousands of residents have been employed in government, military and security service, UNRWA, and international organizations. Minor industry include textile and food processing. A variety of wares are sold in Gaza Street Bazaar, including carpets, pottery, biscuits, furniture, and cotton clothing. The upscale Gaza Mall opened in July 2010. A report by Human Rights and Development Group published in 20X that the Gaza has suffered a long-term pattern of economic stagnation and development indicator the suffering, which was increased exponentially by the Israel and Egypt blockade. The report cites a number of economic indicators that illustrate the point. In 2008, 95% of Gaza industry operated were suspended due to lack of access input for production and export problem. In 2009, unemployment in Gaza was close to 40%. The private sector, which generated 53% of all jobs in Gaza, was devastated and business went bankrupt in June 2005. 3,900 factories in Gaza employed 35,000 people. By December 2007, only 1,700 were still employed. The construction industry was paralyzed with tens of thousands of labor out of work. The agricultural sector was hurt. It affected nearly 40,000 workers depended on cash crop. Gaza food prices rose during the blockade, with flour going up 34%, rice up 21%, and baby powder up 30% in 2007. Households spent an average of 62% of their total income on food, compared to 37% in 2004. In less than a December, the number of families depending on UNRWA food aid increased tenfold in 2008. 80% of the population wrote of humanitarian aid in 2008, compared to 63% in 2006, according to a report by Oxfam in 2009. Gaza suffered from a serious shortage of housing in location, agricultural salvage and infrastructure, along with an inadequate sewage system that contributed to hygiene and public health problems. Following a significant rising of the coastal police in 2010, the economy of Gaza began to see a substantial recovery from anemic level during the height of the blockade. The economy of Gaza grew by 80% in the first 11 months of 2010. Economic activity is largely supported by Virgin Islands nation. There are a number of hotels in Gaza, including the Palestinian Gaza Bridge, Adam, Al-Amal, Al-Khud, Chalif, Al-Dair, and Marina House, except the Palestine Hotel, are located along the Costa Rimal district. The United Nations UN has a beach club on the same street. Gaza is not a frequent destination for tourism, and most foreign go stay in hotel are journalists, aid work, and UN and Red Cross personnel. Upmarket hotels include the Al-Khud and the Al-Dair Hotel. Creation of hydrocarbon surface around the region gives potential to Gaza to develop as a leading industrial center. Many of the region gas and oil fields are under Gaza. In 1999, natural gas reservoirs were discovered offshore of the territory known as Gaza Marine. It held 1 trillion cubic feet or 28 billion cubic meters of natural gas as a part of the Levant Basin, which itself held 122 trillion cubic feet or 3.5 trillion cubic meter of natural gas. The Levant Basin on the Mediterranean Sea, which includes coastal region of Israel, Cyprus, Lebanon, Syria, and Palestine, is estimated to have 1.7 billion barrels or 270 million meter cubic of oil. Gaza is the only coastal part of the state of the Palestine. In 2000, exploration licenses were granted by the government to bridge gas crude. However, the project was interrupted during the 2000 to 2005 uprisings, where supportive infrastructure, the seaport and airport, was destroyed by Israel. In 2023, the war gained momentum again until it was crushed in the ongoing war. 138.19, the largest number of people is the belief that Gaza oil and gas reservoir in the region for Israel. Offensive on the territory also described as a potential genocide campaign.